Welcome to this video on the Gambian Dalasi, exploring its history, denominations, and design evolution. Discover the fascinating story of Gambian money and its currency history. The unit of currency is the Dalasi, symbolized as GMD, a sovereign currency within West Africa. The subunit is the butut, with 1 Dalasi equaling 100 bututs. The word butut comes from the Wolof word butut, meaning small thing. In 1971, the Gambia adopted the Dalasi, replacing the Gambian pound at a rate of £1 to 5 dalasis. The precise origins of Dalasi are still debated by historians, though variations like the Mandinka word dasi suggest deep regional roots. The metal era saw design evolution. The Jawara era, starting in 1971, featured President Dauda Jawara's effigy on bronze, brass, and cupro-nickel coins. Post-1998, effigies were replaced by the national coat of arms. Inflation has since reduced the circulation of smaller coins. The Central Bank of the Gambia has produced numismatic treasures, including special commemorative coins for global collectors and historic milestones. These include issues for the Papal Visit, the Golden Jubilee of Independence, and the African Union Summit. The evolution of paper money showcases a transformation from standard prints to political portraits and finally to celebrations of national heritage. Key eras include the Foundation era in 2006, the political era in 2015, and the cultural era in 2019. The 2006 full printing issue introduced significant changes. Design-wise, white borders were removed for edge-to-edge printing. Durability was enhanced with a special varnish coating for hot, humid climates. Security was upgraded with embossed silver foil. The 2015 Yahya Jammeh issue marked a thematic shift, featuring the portrait of then-President Yahya Jammeh on the obverse. New denominations were introduced, including the 20 and 200 dalasis, with the 200 dalasi note becoming the new highest value. Following a change in government, the 2019 Beautifully Gambian banknotes were released to replace the portrait notes. The obverse sides returned to celebrating the nation's rich native avian wildlife, alongside the national coat of arms. The Beautifully Gambian series links each denomination to a dominant color, a native bird on the front, and a cultural symbol on the back. For example, the 100 dalasis note is cyan, features black-crowned cranes, and depicts fishermen. The anatomy of a note involves security features you can feel and look for. Feel includes the raised print, especially the tactile bars. Look features a security thread that appears as a solid line when held to the light, and a watermark of a crocodile's head. When you tilt the note, the security thread flashes with rainbow bars shifting between green and red, revealing the value and bird images. The bushfowl icon, printed in optically variable ink, dramatically shifts from gold to brilliant green as the note moves. The Gambian Dalasi is more than just commerce. It reflects the nation's journey. It moved from colonial pounds through eras of political portraiture, settling now on a design that celebrates its true wealth, its people, landmarks, and beautifully Gambian wildlife.